Welcome to FilmPhone's Tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to create incoming calls. Start by adding a flow and naming it. Once the flow has been made, you'll be taken into build mode. As you are creating a call, you need to select the phone app icon. Welcome to the phone menu. Here you can choose to create an incoming or outgoing call. Let's select Incoming. Select the contact that will be calling from the list, and for initial action, we will keep actor control, which allows the actor to answer or decline the incoming call. We will visit missed calls in a later tutorial. Then, to decide what happens during the call, we can choose one of three options. Other user hangs up, which will allow you to choose how long the call lasts before it is ended. Actor control, which allows the actor to end the call at any point. And finally, proximity control, which will end the call once the phone is brought away from the actor's head. To save the call to the flow, you need to select back and back again to return home. From here, press Go Live. The screen will turn black, and from here, use your Bluetooth keyboard to trigger the call. Number 1 being the default trigger. The actor can then accept or decline the call, whilst in any call, the loudspeaker and mute buttons can be activated. The call can then be ended by the actor. Incoming calls can also be triggered by pressing the Reminders app on the phone's home screen.